it's Mio here, and today I have a tutorial for you. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I'm trying to get in the groove of trying to post new craft tutorials again. So by starting off this week, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Princess of Hearts charm. It's made of polymer clay and UV resin, and I'll be honest, this tutorial actually takes a while to create, but I really love how it turned out. It's super cute, makes a wonderful trinket, so I hope you guys really enjoy it. This tutorial does go by quickly because there's a lot of things to go through, but I still hope you find this video useful. And for more videos like these, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you like preview of more tutorials to come, check out my Instagram, Flying Mio. It has pictures of different crafts that I've created. Or if you want to check out my personal account, I have a personal account that I just created called Keep Blushing. It has photos of my everyday life, so you kind of keep in the loop of everything else that's been going on. So let's just go ahead and get started on this tutorial. I'm going to start by making the princess inside. So to make the head, I took a flesh colored piece of clay, rolled it into a circle, and then kind of flattened it a little bit. And to make the hair, I'm taking a brown piece of polymer clay, and I'm going to flatten it to a pancake about 1 millimeter thick. And you're going to cut off a triangle edge on one side, and this is going to be the bangs. And you want to smooth out everything, position it on the head that you created, and you really want to make sure that it only covers maybe the top 1/3 of her head, and gently wrap it around the top portion of her head. As you can see here, it slants down a little bit, and I'm just going to use my X-Acto knife to cut off all the extra clay. When you're happy with it, go ahead and flatten down the extra clay so that it's nice and smooth and it kind of looks like one long piece. I put some dents in her bangs so that it makes her hair look a little more textured. And to make the rest of her face, I put in 2 little small black pieces of polymer clay for her eyes. And for her ponytail, I took a small piece of brown clay, rolled it into a teardrop shape, but I kind of made the tip bend out a little bit so it looks like a cute little ponytail. And I put it in the top corner of her head like so. With a tiny piece of black clay that's rolled into a long thin snake, I positioned it in the center of her face to make a cute little smile. And then now you can move on to her body. So I took a white piece of clay, flattened it into a rectangle, and then I actually cut off a huge chunk of it because I want the head to be really big compared to the rest of her body. And this is going to be the little card, the deck of cards that makes up most of her body. So just tack that onto her head, and then I'm going to put in a tiny little bow right underneath her head. And I'm just taking small pieces of clay to make the little A-shaped and the heart-shaped to fill out what looks like a card. I took small tubes of flesh clay to make her arms and her stubby little legs. And I went ahead and took some makeup, some pink blush, and brushed that onto her cheeks so that looks like your character is blushing. And that's pretty much how you make the little princess girl. For the resin part of the tutorial, I used a heart mold and some UV resin to create the little trinket she's in. So all I did was take some resin, poured a lot into the little heart mold, colored it in the color I wanted. Here I'm showing you in the color white, and I'm pretty much moving that resin all around the mold so that there's no gaps, and putting it under the UV light for about 30 seconds. And when you'll pop it out, I didn't fill the UV resin mold completely, just enough to fill out the whole shape of the heart mold. And this is kind of what you get. I did 2 of them. I did one in white and one in clear, and when you put the 2 together, you'll have a 3-dimensional heart to put your little princess inside. So I have some extra trinkets that came inside a little package. So to fill out all the details, I gave her a crown. I also gave her a little staff, I guess, to hold, and I put in a few charms inside. And I thought this charm looked better in black, so I redid the heart mold in black and kind of filled it out together. And when you put the 2 pieces together, this is what she looks like inside of the little heart mold. So if you're happy with it, just add a little bit of resin on the edges and put that underneath your UV light so that you can hold your trinket together forever. So this is what it looks like when I went ahead and stuck her down with some UV resin so she doesn't move. And just to decorate this little trinket, I just added a crown on the top. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know it went by really fast, but I wanted to make sure that there was enough time to get everything in. And if you like more videos like these, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, you can follow me on my social media. My Instagram account is Flying Mia, which is my crafting Instagram account that has pictures of the different crafts and cute things that I create. Or you can follow me on my personal Instagram account called Keep Blushing that I just created. It has photos of my everyday life so you can get a peek as to where I've been and what I've been doing. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye!